Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Children, we are going to learn things around us. Things around us, we can differentiate the things in two ways. Living thing and non-living things. First, living things. What are living things? Living things can grow. Living things need food. Living things breathe. They can move on its own. See children, this is a small baby. Small baby, it became a small boy after few months. Then after few years became a big man. As well as human beings, animals and birds also grow. First there will be a small, then day by day they will grow, and we need food to grow, to live, and we will breathe. See, keep your hand near to your nose, do like this, out, in. What we are doing? We are breathing. Yes, we are breathing, we are living. We need food to grow, as well as animals and birds also. Birds, from the egg, the birds will come. Like that, trees also a living thing. See, first it is a seed. When we'll keep the seed inside the soil, what will happen? The small plant will come. After few days, it will become again as more bigger, then more bigger, then more bigger, and after few years it will become a big tree. Plant also need food. Plant will eat chapati or rice? No. What the plant needs? Sunlight, air and water. These are living things. Plant cannot move on its own, but it is a living thing. It can give birth to the next plant also. When we'll eat a mango, inside a hard part will come, that is called a seed. If you put a seed into the soil, again small plant will come, it will become a big tree. After few years, again it will give more fruits to us. Like that, going on process. These are living things. Non-living things are what? See children, this is a car. This is a living thing? No, it is not a living thing. It can go from here to there. From one place to another it can go. But it can go on its own? No. When the driver will drive the car, then only it will run. Yes, so it is a non-living thing. Pen. Pen needs food, water and air. It will eat? No. It will grow? Day by day it will become big pen? No. But you will grow. First, how you all are? You all are small babies. Day by day you are growing. Yes. First you all were small babies. Then you came to nursery, LKG. Now you came to UKG. Next year you will going to be first class. Day by day you are growing. You are eating food. But the pen will eat. It will grow. Day by day the pen will grow. No. The same shape it will be. Shape and size is changing? No, it will not change. It is a non-living thing. It is what? It is a scooter. Scooter can move from one place to another? Yes, it can move. But on its own? No. So it is a non-living thing. When you will drive this, then only it will move on the road. Ah, what is it? An aeroplane. It is a living thing. It can go from one place to another. But no, it is not a living thing. Why? Because when the pilot will fly the plane, it will go from one place to another. So it is also a non-living thing. Words I wrote on the board. For living things we'll write L, and for non-living things we'll write N. Tree. The first word is tree. Tree is a living thing or a non-living thing? Tree is a living thing. So we'll write L here. Next word is table. Table is a living thing or a non-living thing? Table is a non-living thing. Table can grow. It can move from one place to another? No. So table is a non-living thing. N. Ball. Ball changes sides? No. It will eat food? No. Ball is a non-living thing. Boy. Boy can grow. Boy needs food to eat, to grow, to live. Yes, boy is a living thing. Crow. Crow is a bird. Yes, and it will also need food to live. So crow is a living thing. Girl. Girl is a living thing. It will grow. Man. Man is a living or a non-living thing? Living thing. Chair. Chair is living thing. Day by day it will increase its size? No. Non-living thing. Woman? Yes, living thing. Car. Just now I have explained you. Car can go from one place to another, but not on its own. When the driver will drive the car, then only it will move. So car is a non-living thing. Tiger? Yes, tiger is a living thing. It needs foods. It will grow. Bag. Bag is a living thing? No, bag is a non-living thing. Hope you have understood, children. Now more words we'll write in a notebook. Ready with your notebooks. Now we are going to write few words in a notebook. First, in the first line, you should write the heading. The heading is things around us. Here, next line, underline it with the red crayon or a red pencil. Next line, first word. L, I, F, E, life. L, I, F, E, life. After writing life, take 2 finger gap and write G, R, O, W, grow. Again 2 finger gap and write M, O, V, E, move. These 3 words 5 times you should repeat, and while writing you should read and write. After repeating 5 times, next number 1 again and write P, L, A, N, T, S, plants. P, L, A, N, T, S, plants. 2 finger gap and write A, N, I, M, A, L, S, animals. Animals. Again 2 finger gap and write B, I, R, D, S, birds. These words also 5 times you have to repeat. And while writing, follow the lines and read and write. Don't write like this, all life, plants, plants, plants. Don't write like this. Like this, life, grow, move. Again, life, grow, move. Read and write so that you will get the spellings. And after writing in a notebook, this is your practice book, page number 38. Here, few words are there, so you should write, follow the lines properly. Okay children, goodbye.